Welcome to this video on how to use the L100 Smart Lock. First, make sure you enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in the settings of your phone. Then download the free TapKey app from the App Store or Google Play. Start by creating an account in the TapKey mobile app. Use the Apple or Google account you used to download the app or create an account with your email address. Here we are creating a new account with an existing email address. Agree to the terms and conditions and tap Create Account. A verification email will be sent to the email address used for the new account. The TapKey account can't be accessed until verification is complete. After verifying your email and activating your account, log into your TapKey account in the mobile app. You can then add a lock. In the lock screen, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Place the owner card over the lock, select the same lock ID as the one on the owner card. The lock is in pairing mode when the red indicator lights flash in sequence. Once connected, the lock will flash several times and in different colors. You can now unlock the lock with your phone. The lock screen shows the locks you can access. Tap on a lock to view its ID, access history, and other users who also have access. It's important to synchronize whenever you make a change to ensure you have the latest settings. To do this, tap Maintain Lock and then Synchronize. To add a transponder, go to the NFC transponder screen, then tap the plus button. Place the transponder near the phone until it's detected. You then need to grant the NFC transponder access to a lock. Select the transponder. In the Access tab, tap the plus sign, then select the lock. To add a smartphone user, go to the smartphone user screen and tap the plus button. Enter the new smartphone user's email address. Now add access rights. To create a lock group, go to the lock groups screen. Add the group and give it a name. Go to the Locks tab. Select the locks that will be part of the group. Go to the NFC transponders screen. Select the transponders that will have access to the locks. Go to the Access tab and select the group created to add access to it. Hold the transponder behind the phone. To add an administrator, go to the Settings screen, then select the Admins tab. Add the user account and select the administrator role. To change the lock owner, the current owner must go to the Settings screen, then select the Admins tab. Add the user account and select the owner role. There are now two owners, so the previous owner needs to be deleted in the Admins tab. The new owner must then assign access rights to themselves and delete those of the previous owner. You now have all the information you need to use your L100 lock. For questions or more information on this subject, please reach out to your local Rousseau representative.